Would you stay in a trailer like this? This is a place or a community of people that they've built homes out of recycled material.
It says no trespassing, but
You can just turn around.
look at that, look at that.
And I feel like it's very Anarchy. I don't know. It's built out of cans.
Bottles, like play.
Okay. Drive over there. It's like a spaceship.
Beautiful, and it's all natural, I think. What is this movie where there is like no water? Mad Max. This is completely Mad Max. Wow. Look how many plants.
Oh, that's so cool.
So this is where we are staying today. I think that is the most comfortable bed I have slept in the last week. You have everything in here. This is a hotel with Airstreams. It's very close to the place we were before, and it's the best. It is 15 minutes from Taos, and we like it so much that we stayed there twice. So these are the 2 Airstreams we stayed at. That's yours. Would you cook in here?
If I had to. I'm not much of a cooker anyways, but I guess you could. You've got a hot plate right there. You've got top, good for slicing and dicing. You've got a microwave, you got a fridge. You just have to wash your dishes by hand, but that's good because you know what they say. You never let one dirty dish in the sink, then it won't accumulate, you know? This is an Earthship.
An Earthship is an off-the-grid, self-sufficient home. They are built with recycled and natural materials. They use something that we invented, garbage. They use bottles, for example, to let the light in and to keep the place warm when it's cold outside.
That's where it collects water.
Comes to the ceiling, they collect it, and they reuse it like 4 times. They use wind and solar energy to generate electricity, and they produce their own food.
Water the plants. They keep the irrigation system up high, I guess. I can't see it.
Basically, they live in the middle of nowhere and they have everything they need to have a good life in there. There are some more trailers in here. It's like a hotel you can come inside. It's called Luna Mystica. All of them are different. This one is pretty nice. Last night was pretty cold and it was super warm inside. This was an unexpected stop. A new friend from Airbnb recommended it to us, and it was so worth it. I had no idea this community existed or these Airstream hotels existed. There are no rules. There are so many ways to live life. Now it's time to go. Colorado is waiting.